These AI giant fruit secret home videos are going viral like crazy, and I'm going to give you the exact master prompts to create them. But don't skip, because if you miss one small detail, your video won't look viral. I came across a small channel with just 40 plus uploads pulling in millions of views and already crossing 27K subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they're doing it step by step. Step 1. Generate ideas and prompts. Start by pasting the master prompt into ChatGPT. It will instantly generate 10 unique video ideas along with detailed concepts. Choose the one that stands out to you, then take the second master prompt and paste your selected idea into it. ChatGPT will now provide complete image and video prompts for every scene of your video. Step 2. Generate images using Edimakor. Open HitPaw Edimakor and start a new project. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it using the link in the description. Once inside, navigate to the AI image section on the left panel and select the text to image option. Choose an image model like Seedream 5.0 or Nano Banana 2. Paste your image prompt, adjust the settings to match your desired look, and generate your first image. Step 3. Animate the images. Right-click your image and select Image to Video. Choose a model like Pixverse V6, Kling 3.0, or Vidu Q3 Turbo. Paste your video prompt and generate your first scene. Now, this is the most important part. If you don't use the last frame of your current scene as the first frame of the next, your video will look choppy and viewers will scroll away. So always take the ending frame, use it as a reference, paste the next prompt, and generate the next scene. Repeat this for all scenes to create that smooth, satisfying transformation. Step 4. Final edit and export. Once all scenes are ready, place them on the timeline in order. Keep everything smooth. No random cuts, no awkward transitions. Because even small mistakes here can kill your retention. Finally, export your video in 4K to get that high-quality, viral-ready look. Now, if you want the exact master prompts I used, check the description and start creating your first video today. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more viral AI content strategies.